All right, so for this assignment, I've included 2 notebooks into OneNote, and the first one is called Inside the Special Needs Classroom, and it includes activities, like how students with special needs should be put into centers to stimulate their brain. And here's a picture of them in the centers I included. And then here's a YouTube video explaining why it's better to put them in centers. And another video explaining how people organize their classrooms to put students in learning environments. And here's an article I found, which I've highlighted and annotated this excerpt. And then this other excerpt and annotated it. And this last excerpt that I annotated, and then I added the tags to help you find the article that I searched. And then my second notebook is Living with Autism. And it's all about autism students and how they work and how they learn. This explains right here. And then that is a picture of the feelings and emotions that autism children feel. And then here's an article I've annotated and highlighted as part of that. Part of the same article right here that I've highlighted and annotated. And then the last excerpt I included with some tags to help you get to the article. And then these last two YouTube videos, which explain how autistic children work and how using flashcards helps in their learning and how they're just a little different from everybody else, but that's okay. All right, thank you for watching.